In this video, we're replacing the master clutch. This is my original one, which I thought was okay. And I pressed the clutch in, some weird stuff happened. Okay, so this is going through it. So when you push the clutch in with the pedal, it would go all the way in. And when you lift your foot off the pedal would jump back. But internally, the piston would very slowly start coming back up again. And you could actually feel the pedal go, like getting pressure on it, and then suddenly it would be full pressure again. It was a very weird sensation. What I think happened is either the cylinder or the piston itself is slightly bent, like it's slightly banana shaped, and that's why it's damaged. So this is my new one. It was the cheapest one off eBay and it fits the Corrado perfectly. It's a mirror image. One thing you'll notice though, so they're both the same way up, is this one has 2 pins either side. This one has nothing, and they're just drilled. They've never been tapped, so I have to tap them to get my M8 bolts to go through. So they are indeed M8s, so that's the nut, and when you wind it back in, it goes on. So it's M8. So now to tap them. Okay, we're tapping in. That's my M8 going down. Boom, and we're done. Okay. And we're done. Okay. So the trick is to go slowly when you're putting the tap in. You go a little bit, come back, go a little bit more, come back, go a little bit more, come back. And use plenty of WD-40, where it is. And just spray it on the treads and just keep everything lubricated and keep the swarf that's coming off the treads, just keep cleaning it out. And just slowly make your way down. This is a cheap set that I have. Unfortunately, my little tool is a bit damaged. Hence, at the end of the videos, when I say if you can sponsor me or support me in any way, all the money is actually going to either towards Corrado parts or just tools, because I definitely need some more new tools. This one's damaged. Anyway, it's finished now. It's done its job. That's tapped. Going in. Okay, so the next job is the bolts are too long, so we have to cut off the end of it. So the trick is you put on a nut, you cut it, and then you wind the nut back out, and it recuts the threads back in that you've damaged. So that's one I've already done, and this is one I'm halfway through. I take the measurements off, of course, the old one. So that's them there. They're lining up. Perfect. Okay, time to stay cutting. Okay, now time to add the thread locker. Too much. Just let it go all the way around, and I just send it home. I'll put a 13mm on this now to tighten it up. Okay, that's that done. Okay, now I'm going to take this apart and see what's wrong with it. So the first thing is use the clips here to take out the star clip, which I've already done. That's all it is. It's just a circlip with a washer and then the ball. That's that part done. And then behind this is my piston. So currently, for some unknown reason, my piston is stuck all the way down. That should be up here flush or even ready just to pop out. So I'm going to try to give it a hit and see if it will come out. No, I think it's had its day. So I've tried for the last 15 minutes to get this out, and I got to move it a little tiny bit with a bit of WD-40 and freeze spray, which is like very cold spray. And I've heated the outside, I've cooled the inside, I used WD-40. That piston is jammed in it. It's just not going to move. I even put a blocker here and 100 psi of air in this way, try to get it to move down. It's frozen. It's not going to move. So anyway, doesn't matter. This one is bet anyway, and I have a new one to go in. So now with this all done, now let's go install this. Okay, so we now have the clutch ready to go into the VR6. And the hole is just down there. Slide it through. Fits perfectly. Leave that there. Now to climb in underneath the pedals. And this is the clutch pedal. And that's the pin up there. Slide that on. Okay, we have it done. So that's now attached. All I have to do now is get 2 bolts there, and there's a clip that just goes on here that holds it in so it doesn't pop off. Okay, nearly done. Okay, brilliant. So that's now the master clutch joined to the pipe, which goes all the way around and joins back then down to the slave clutch. So there's just a pipe to go from here onto the reservoir up here, which will be done at a later date. So that's everything out here now finished. Okay, now the clip to go on. There we go. Now, the clip's done. 1 bolt is on, just have to put the 2nd bolt on, and we're finished. So guys, that's another thing now off the list. So that's the clutch now finished. Loads more still to do. So that's suspension, plumbing, loads of things like that. A lot of wiring still to be done. Connect the engine, fuel lines, a whole lot. But yeah, we're slowly getting there. So as always, thanks for watching. If you can, support me on PayPal. Link is in the description below. Rate, comment, subscribe. As always, thanks for watching. See you next time.